For this game, you will need a piece of white paper, items from around your house that are either squares, rectangles, or circles, and a black pen.
Welcome back. So we are going to be playing some games, and here's your teacher. Well, as I say, my mom.
That's right, Frankie. I have some items here in front of you. Some of them might look a little bit familiar.
Well, they do. I just got this sandal today. I wonder what's that from?
Well, I have some other things here from around the house, and they all have something in common. They all are shapes. Do you see any shapes in there?
Oh, I see many, like this sandal.
What's it look like?
It looks like a circle.
How do you know it's a circle?
Because I see it's round and it never closes. These no circles don't have any sides or like
Vertexes.
opens.
Yeah, vertices or vertexes, we call it. That's where sides meet. And if you can tell, on a circle, there are no sides because it is round and circular. So what I have, Frankie, is a piece of paper
With shapes on it.
with shapes. I have circles, squares, and rectangles. All of these shapes match something that you see in front of you. So you need to, oh, she already found the sand dollar. I guess you don't even need the instructions. She's gonna look for the shapes that I outlined here, and she's going to put them on this map. Frankie did not see this activity beforehand, so she is, why didn't you put that one there?
Because I saw it was way too big for this. I mean, look at that.
Okay.
Like twice the size.
That's right.
This one goes
Okay,
there.
okay. Ooh, good thinking there. Keep trying, just figure. She's got to try different shapes in different places here. She got the Kleenex box. Looks like she's figured out the little light.
Where's that? What's that? Wait. Oh, that is there.
Oh, you know what? I forgot one shape. One missing shape.
One missing
Something that's
shape.
usually always on me, which is why it was missing from there. What do you think that is?
Let me go get that.
It's my phone.
Hello?
Hold on 1 second, please.
Oh, here it is.
We found it. A missing phone.
And there you have it. So awesome. You got them all down there. You found the final piece there, my phone that went missing.
Oopsies.
Oopsies. So now I'm interested to know which of these shapes is a circle.
This one.
Sand dollar is circle. The thinking putty, the penny is a circle. The light is a circle. Look, it went on. The coconut milk is a circle. A can. Any other circles left on here?
No more circles.
No more circles. Okay. So it looks like you have squares and rectangles left. Which one is a square? How do you know that's a square?
Wait. I almost picked up this raisins, but I just noticed this is not a square.
Why is it not a square?
Because did you know squares always have the same length of both sides? Rectangles have a short one and a long one. Did you know that?
That's right. Squares have 4 equal sides. So on this tissue box, this side is the same as this side, is the same as this side, is the same as this side. Equal sides. Bravo. Now can you find me a rectangle? Which one was a rectangle?
Oh, I forgot this square.
That's a square because all 4 sides were equal. Which one? 2 rectangles. What makes those rectangles? Why is that one a rectangle?
Because 2 of these are equal and the other 2 are equal, but one is shorter.
That's right. 2 sides. They also has 4 sides, but 2 of them are shorter than the other, and they're equal in length. The shorter sides are equal, and the longer sides are equal. So when you're done with identifying and finding the shapes and talking about the differences between squares and rectangles, a great extension activity is to ask your student to circle the vertexes on the squares and all the rectangles. Frankie, can you circle the vertexes after you add smiley faces in each one of the shapes? These are now happy little shapes. Can you add circles around each vertex? Do you know what I mean when I say that?
Yep.
Okay, let's see it. There you go. So there's a square. It has 4 vertexes. How come you didn't circle any vertexes on the circle?
Because did you know circles don't have any sides?
Gotcha. So she's circling them all. You can also ask your student to number each one of the sides. So can you go ahead and on this rectangle, can you number each side? 1, 2, 3, 4. Bravo. It's one more extension to a fun homemade game like this.
Well, you can.
Game. High five.
All
right.
That game.
Next game. Okay.
For this game, you will need some straight noodles, like spaghetti noodles, a plain white piece of paper, a pen, and a ruler.
So, here I have a white piece of paper and some spaghetti noodles. Can you put these without breaking the noodles? Can you put these in order along with what length the noodles are? Now, when you do this, which one is shorter and which one is longer? This side is what?
Shorter.
And this side is?
Longer.
That's right. Now, one more thing you can do with this activity is you can ask your student to measure these lengths with a ruler. And when you talk to them about this, you can tell them that on a ruler, the big numbers, it depends on the ruler you're looking at, but the big numbers are inches and the smaller numbers are centimeters. And for kindergartners, if you want to do this addition to this game, this extension to the game, you can ask them to measure it. And then you can say the big numbers are inches and the small numbers are centimeters. So if you were measuring this in inches, how many inches is that?
2 inches.
2 inches. So can you put a 2 above there? So now Frankie's going to go through and she's going to measure all of these lines. And that's how you play that game. And since you already have some spaghetti noodles out, you might as well make some shapes with them. What are you working on, Frankie?
You'll see.
Oh, it's a secret.
Maybe you guys can glue them onto the paper.
Yeah, we could even glue them down. That'd be fun.
Because this
Noodle art.
Noodle.
Awesome. So what'd you make, Frankie? A drink. Let me see. I love it.
It's like a smoothie / smooth.
For this game, you will need some Post-its and a pen.
So we're going to play a snap word game, and this game is called Battle of the Snap Words. It is going to be Frankie versus
Mommy.
Miss Allie or Mommy. I'm going to use a packet of Post-its. I'm going to show a Post-it to Frankie. If she's able to read this snap word, then she gets to put the Post-it on her side. If she's not able to read it and I have to help her, or I would love to help you, if she can't read the word, then I'm going to put the Post-it on my side. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Family.
Family. So I also want to mention that these are snap words that are for first graders. So I'll say the words when I make this video so that you can see them. So family, you got that one. You get to put that one here. How about this one?
Enough.
Enough. There you go. On Frankie's end, this one.
Is that even a snap word?
No, I tricked you. I added some bigger, harder words just so I could get some points. This word is
Rude.
quarantine. No. Oh, did you want to try it?
So rude.
Oh, quarantine is this word. I did a big word for her. So I got that one. Put it on my side.
Ravioli.
Ooh, good. That's ravioli. I made a sneaky. I snuck one in for Frankie.
Because.
Because. She got because.
I know. Often.
Often. Frankie has not seen these words before.
Until.
Until.
I said that. Awesome.
Oh.
Whistle.
Say it again.
Whistle.
That's right. I tried to sneak one on her. Whistle. Good.
Bin.
Bin.
Bean.
I'm not getting any over here. That's all we did. So can you count up? How many did you get? 10?
Yeah.
How many did I get? 1. Quarantine is the only word she didn't know. Bravo, Frankie. 1 to 10. You win.
Yeah.